Project 𝘠𝘮𝘬 is no longer going to sound like an old pick-em-up truck. Our folks, our friends, our buddy old pals over at DNA Motoring hooked it up again with a little cat bag exhaust system for old Project 𝘠𝘮𝘬. This is a kit that I've used a couple times on a couple different cars. It sounds amazing. It's going to sound 1,000 times better. A budget 𝘭𝘪𝘯𝘬 counterpart. If you guys want a link to this, an Amazon link will be in the description. Currently, the car is straight piped. When you're like wide open throttle, steaming it, sounds like a NASCAR. But like if you're backing around a parking lot or literally just driving the car in any other fashion, it sounds dog ass.
Yeah. No, I'm excited though. That's all I know. I'm sick and tired of listening to that every time I'm driving, so.
So the build quality at the price point for this exhaust has been something that's always just perplexed me. These welds are high quality. Like I said, I've used this kit a couple times on a couple different cars. I've never had any issues. Sheesh.
Yeah, barely hear it.
What?
So I can barely hear it.
Like once it gets like 6,000 RPM, it sounds dope as fuck. But like anything besides that, it's kind of just these kind of stuff.
Alright, so here's the original exhaust right here. As you can see, straight piped, no muffler, no nothing. It bolts down there and it's welded all the way back. That's pretty standard for these straight pipe cars. Usually it's probably stock exhaust. Somebody just came in here like an exhaust shop or something and just, that means from that point all the way down there, middle of the car, all the way to the tilt is completely connected, meaning that, as you can see right here, the axle, it goes over the axle, which means that we're gonna have to get the cutoff wheel and chop right there. These are the original 95 hangers. They don't work with the DNA motoring catback. I do have the ones for a 99 to 04 car. I will see if it will bolt in the original bolts for this car. Original hanger on the top. This is the one that I had laying around on the bottom for a new edge car. As you can see, it gives the hanging point from the outside. So we're gonna bolt that on.
We got one side of the tailpipes off over the axle part. Mr. Ball over here is cutting it off. I'm gonna start cutting off this here modular little hanger piece, and we're gonna be tacking it onto the DNA if I can weld to it. Hopefully I can. While I'm doing that, he's gonna cut off the other side. So yeah, let's get back to work.
That's all where it's supposed to be. You able to see that?
Yep.
Okay, grab a marker.
There it goes. You should be able to look up.
effect. Now, I'm outside. It's currently a little rainy, but fortunately for you guys, I'm still out here. I'm still gonna take this video because it needs to be done. It's long overdue. Soon after we got the exhaust system put in and done and completed, unfortunately my clutch went out. My clutch blew. Had to buy a whole new clutch. Had to get some money saved up to actually get the clutch installed because I couldn't do it myself. I didn't have the tools or nothing like that. So, fortunately though, we got it done. It's like I said, it's pouring rain right now, but I'm gonna get this video out for you guys. I need to help Blake out. You know, certified rippers, we do anything for you guys, you know what I mean? I know a few of you guys have been asking for Project Blanca. I know Blake's been getting the Terminator back up, you know, another aviator engine. It's the same kit you guys have seen. It's the DNA kit. It's a really good kit. You guys can get it down below in the description. Amazon, it'll be linked below. It's recommended for a 9904, so we did have to do a little bit of adapting to get it to fit perfect and work on this car. The main difference was the rear bumper. There's no cutouts like on the 99-04s, so that was the biggest difference. So we got it to fit. I think it sounds way better than the straight pipe setup that we had originally when I bought the car. And most definitely, we're gonna be making a couple more videos on this. We still have the MS3, it finally came in. You know, we got a couple other things. We gotta get the wideband in. Hopefully soon, don't quote me, we might be getting it dynoed just to get us on a baseline of how much horsepower this thing is pushing out stock. And then after that, I think it's time we put the MS3 on and we have some fun with this thing. But for now, like I said, link below, Amazon, get this. It's beautiful, it's nice, it sounds great, really has a great purr to it, has a nice little kick to it, and yeah, see you guys in the next video.